Opening. Have you ever wondered how stress affects your life? Stress, a ubiquitous part of modern living, can have a profound impact on our health and daily functioning. It's crucial to find effective stress busters. Closing. What if we told you there is a simple, natural way to reduce stress, right in your backyard? Gardening, a hobby that has been practiced for centuries, holds the key to stress relief. Embracing the soil under your fingertips, feeling the warmth of sunlight on your skin, and watching life flourish under your care, these simple joys have profound effects. Each seedling you nurture becomes a testament to growth both in your garden and within yourself. The physical exercise, the vitamin D from sunlight exposure, and the deep satisfaction of fostering life collectively work wonders in melting away stress. Now you might be wondering, where do I start? Starting a garden is simpler than you might think. First, let's choose a location. Look for a place with plenty of sunlight, as most plants thrive in 6 to 8 hours of sunshine. Next, decide on what to plant. Choose plants that you love, but also consider their specific needs and your climate. Now let's prepare the soil. A rich, fertile soil is key, so consider adding compost or organic matter for a nutrient boost. The next step is planting. Follow the guidelines for each plant type regarding depth and spacing. Lastly, regular care is paramount. Water, prune, and monitor your plants for any signs of disease or pests. With these steps, you are ready to embark on your gardening journey. Now, it's your turn to start your gardening journey. Imagine yourself taking that first step, planting that first seed. Whether it's a small indoor herb garden or a sprawling backyard oasis, your garden can be your sanctuary. Feel the stress melt away as you cultivate life from the earth. Every journey begins with a single step, and this could be your first step towards a more serene and stress-free life. Remember, every garden started with a single seed. Plant yours today.